Hello everyone, we are from Group 8. We present about our group assignment for new product development. And our group has choose harvesting and picking robot. The group members are Muhammad Irfan Hakimi bin Azli as the leader, Fatih Nur Hidayah binti Muhammad Razwan, Nur Fatimi binti Zamzari, Lee Vizian, and myself Nur Farhani Silana binti Muhammad Amiruddin.
Introduction for harvesting and picking robot. AI or artificial intelligence is a type of technology that can improve process and make them more efficient. For instance, in agriculture, it has been introduced to help the process and procedure that are more sustainable. Due to increasing environmental awareness, the agriculture industry has implemented various restrictions and incentives to promote farming. This has caused various difficulties for the industry. The farming business need to evolve to compete in a more volatile and competitive market. As more people will live in 2050, the need for new technology will become more difficult to meet. In order to meet this challenge, the sector is growing and various research are looking into how technology can help farmers keep their business running smoothly. Autonomous vehicle and GPS equipment have made precision agriculture possible. The ability to improve farm efficiency and minimize waste is become more prevalent in the farming industry. Due to increasing environmental awareness of farming, many companies have started implement incentive and restriction to encourage them to improve their practice. With the advance of GPS and autonomous vehicles, farming has become more possible.
Number 2. Problem statement. First, what is the problem? Farmers often get problems such as when carrying out harvesting work, lack of manpower, getting a good harvest, and good use of time. Number 2. What is the issue? Farmers need help for survival in agriculture. What are the needs of farmers? Farmers need resources to grow food. They need many different types of resource. Farmers also need a natural resource such as land, air, nutrient, water and sunlight. Farmers themselves need energy so they can work the land. If a plant does not have the kind of soil it needs, it may die. So, the number 3 is, what is the relevant in this? Simply increasing the number of workers in the field alone is not enough. Many other issues will arise. Farmers need to think of something more future for survival of their agriculture. And what is the solution? The solution is AI, harvest and picking robot. First, AI can provide farmers with a real-time insight from their field, allowing them to identify areas that need irrigation, fertilization, or pesticide treatment. So, the AI itself will help farmers in various aspects for the sake of survival in the field, facilitate the method of collecting the harvest that is mature enough, meet the needs of manpower without any variety of problem, work 24 hours, 7 days a week regardless of the weather. Actually, AI systems are helping to improve the overall harvest quality and accuracy known as precision agriculture. AI technology help in detecting the disease in plant, pest and poor nutrition of farm. Also, AI sensor can detect and target weeds and then decide which herbicide to apply within the region. Thank you.
Okay, next we go to the product. The arm of harvesting robot is moved to the target fruit's position after inverse kinematics calculate the angle of the joint at the detect position. Then, They twist the hand as if they harvest the fruits. According to the result of the trial, more than 90% of the fruits were discovered. Furthermore, the robot could harvest an apple in under 16 seconds. Next, the machine version application enables robot to identify and locate target actively and accurately, and the fruit harvesting by the end effector without causing damage to the target fruits and its tree. The stereo camera is utilized to determine the three-dimensional position of the fruit, which is detected using the extremely quick, precise manner with the single shoot multi-box detector, while the SSD is method of organizing item in the photograph that employs a single deep neural network. So, since the horticulture sector faces a variety of challenges, include a lack of field workers and the rising natural product gathering costs, so this fruit harvesting can help farmers in determining the fruits are ready to be picked or not, and the farmers no need to go out to check on the fruits, and this indirectly save time and cost. That's all from me. Thank you.
So for my part here is about novelty and inventiveness. The first one is AI implementation. By using the stereo camera on the robot, it can detect the foot position or the subject position with either 2D or 3D scanning. It can even detect if the fruit is ripe enough to be picked up or to be harvested. It saves a lot of human times to detect the ripeness of the fruits compared it to doing it manually. Not just that, it can even learn about the health of the trees or the fruits and probably suggest a good way to preserve it. For example, the Plantopedia can be integrated onto the machine and helps even more than its original purposes. The second one is the technology is moving towards IR 4.0. So what is IR 4.0? IR 4.0 refers to a new phase of industrial revolution that focuses heavily on interconnectivity, automation, machine learning, and real-time data. By using the AI technology, it enhances the picking experience where it can be operated fully automatically. So there was no need for a manpower to operate the machine where it was fully operated by AI. So harvesting tests can even operate 24/7. The third one is farm management. It enhances the collecting data speed and helps in management analysis, where the data can be collected real time and is make the management an easy procedure, and can even help in analysis on the flow of productivity with much faster and accurate result.
Commercialized potential. It is to bring the harvesting and picking robot to market. For target audience, our target audience is farmers that want to further expand their crop business until there are wholesalers and retailers under them. Harvesting and picking robots can optimize the productivity of the farming business. Next is marketing. Firstly, launch the harvesting and picking robot to farmers. Quickly analyze how the technology can be improved, then improve technology according to customer satisfaction, and then launch the robot to the bigger market to meet demands of a global market. Offer a price discount during a product launch. With lower prices, many farmers will be interested and want to try practicing this technology in their crop activities. And lastly, issue a press release on harvesting and picking robots to increase visibility through the media. It can be sent to targeted press channels, sent as informational messages to customers, and distributed to agriculture industry influencers. The goal of the press strategy is to boost visibility supported by the credibility of the media channel. In conclusions, through the development of AI technologies in agriculture, software and tools that assist farmers may be created and capable of doing manual activities previously handled by people more rapidly and accurately. It might have allowed the agriculture industry to grow sustainably and contributed to Malaysia's economic development. Technology in agriculture has offered different benefits and advantages for farmers. He will change the concept of farm workers by reducing effort while also demonstrating promising outcomes in crop efficiency, greater yields, and reduced input costs. This AI technology can preserve crop quality and save farmers money on staff wages every month, and they need to guarantee that the AI robot functions and does its job effectively. That's all from our group. Thank you for listening.